Email marketing is a powerful tool for businesses to maintain engagement with their customers and drive conversions. However, to make the most of your email campaigns, it's important to optimize them for maximum engagement. I am David Abraham, your email marketing specialist. In this video, I show you some key strategies to consider for better email engagement. Number 1. Attention grabbing subject lines. Your subject line is the first thing that recipients see in their inbox. So it's essential to make it attention grabbing and relevant. If your subject line is not relevant to your audience, they will not open your email. For example, if your subscribers are opted in for a weight loss offer, send them weight loss related subject lines or email content. Next, use strong action words, personalization, and language that piques the recipient's interest to encourage them to open the email. Number 2. Personalization. Personalization is crucial in email marketing because it helps build a relationship with your audience. Address your recipients by name and segment your email list to tailor your content to their interests, preferences, and behaviors. Personalized emails have higher open rates and click-through rates than generic ones. Number 3. Provide value. Your email content should provide value to your audience. This could be in the form of educational content, exclusive offers, or special promotions. Make sure that the content is relevant, informative, and useful to your audience. This will help build trust, loyalty, and encourage recipients to engage with your brand. Number 4. Visually appealing design. The design of your email can make a huge difference in engagement rates. Use a clean and visually appealing layout with high quality images and graphics. Make sure that the email is easy to read and navigate, and use strong calls to action to encourage recipients to take action. Moreover, don't use duplicate images and contents, because it will trigger the spam box in Gmail and other servers. You can use fresh images by your iPhone mobile as well. Number 5. Optimize for mobile. More than half of all emails are now opened on mobile devices, so it's essential to optimize your emails for mobile. Use a responsive design that adapts to different screen sizes, and make sure that the email is easy to read and navigate on a small screen. Test your emails on different devices to ensure that they look great and function well on all platforms. Number 6. Timing and frequency. The timing and frequency of your emails can impact engagement rates. Send emails at a time when your audience is most likely to be online and engaged, such as during work week. Be consistent with your email frequency, but don't overdo it. Bombarding your audience with too many emails can lead to unsubscribes and lower engagement rates. Number 7. A/B testing. A/B testing is a powerful tool for optimizing your email campaigns. Test different email subject lines, content, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Use the results to refine your email strategy and improve engagement rates over time. In conclusion, optimizing your email campaigns for engagement requires a thoughtful approach that considers the needs and preferences of your audience. By using attention-grabbing subject lines, personalization, providing value, visually appealing designs, and optimizing for mobile, businesses can improve their email engagement and drive better results. A/B testing can help refine your email strategy over time and ensure that your emails are always hitting the mark. These mentioned strategies improve your email marketing dramatically. To learn email marketing professionally, subscribe my channel right now.